won't allow you to destroy him. Chibeze is not yours to control. I will never allow you make him the tyrant you are.
How dare you call me tyrant? Do you know me? I am King Nnamdi, and for doing that, you call me tyrant. You call me tyrant, huh? Nonsense. Don't call me tyrant. And you. No. Listen to me. You will never sell this. Never speak about this. Do not.
Good morning, my prince. Good morning, my prince. Your tea is ready on the order of your father, the king.
Get out! Get out! Should have stayed back. Let me remove your head and give them for breakfast.
So, Your Majesty, how do you plan on celebrating your father this year?
Your Majesty!
This is going to be...
Your Majesty! Your Majesty!
Funaya, what is it?
It's Prince Chibeze. Prince Chibeze attacked me.
Again?
Yes, Your Majesty. If I had not rushed out of that room, I would have been a dead person by now. You would have been looking for a way to tell my mother that I'm dead.
I'm glad that didn't happen. So what did you do to him?
I did not do anything, no. I did not do nothing.
Funanya.
Your Majesty.
You can leave.
Your Majesty. Just go. Yes, Your Majesty.
Is that all you're supposed to say? What if he had harmed her?
Well, he did not.
So are you waiting until he harms her before you do something?
It will now be said that the prince killed his own valet. I mean, bad publicity for the palace.
Maybe that is what we want. Is it not better you take him to the psychiatrist?
You should better watch your mouth.
I didn't say prison, I said psychiatric hospital.
Stop it.
Stop what?
What is wrong with you?
Everything.
Don't tell me you're in the mood.
Oh my God, always in the mood, you know that.
So you look at this.
What is the meaning of this? Huh? I'm asking you, what is the meaning of this?
How many times will I remind you to be locking that door?
Get out now before you open that stupid mouth to talk rubbish. Get out!
Tom, you should have knocked. You should have knocked.
How many times do I have to remind you to lock the door? Meaning this is not the first time you're doing this rubbish with a common maid.
Mom, she's not a common maid. She's a trained nurse. And I'm sure you don't have an idea how useful she's been to us in this palace.
Useful to us? What does that mean?
Mom, she's been the one taking care of Chibueze. Without her, it would have been impossible for me to ascend the throne of Ihoma.
Is it what I'm thinking?
She's the reason Chibueze gets the way he does every morning.
Morning madness. How did you keep this from me?
I wanted to handle it all by myself.
Not anymore, son. And you have to be very discreet with this your affair with her. Imagine if it was your father that walked in. In fact, you need to say this.
Mama, what is this? Mom, what's this? Mom, is this true that the king has only 6 months to live?
Yes, it is true. The king's heart is failing him. And the physicians have predicted he won't be living beyond 6 months.
Is he away?
Yes, he is. And so we are. Just that he doesn't know we have this report. He underestimated me.
A mistake no one should make. This is my chance. Finally, the time has come for me to take what rightfully belongs to me. No more playing second fiddle to that unstable fool.
Patient, son. The king may be weak, but don't know who is not. This is a time for you to bring him closer to yourself.
No. Ono is the key, and his favor will secure my path to the throne.
Appeal to his ego. Make him believe you're the one fit for the throne. Make him understand that Chibueze's instability makes him unfit.
Ono thrives on flattery, much like a lion enjoying attention. I must inflate his ego.
Son will have to treat wisely. You know, Chibueze's instability may make the people begin to pity him, take pity on him. And we must not force the king's hand too soon, or he may still side Chibueze.
Mom, I'll act as the devoted son while winning Ono's favor. That crown will be mine.
Yes. The crown has always been yours. Just that we'll have to wait for the right moment. I think I will see you soon.
Mom.
Son? Do you remember the old rule that says, keep your friends close, but your enemies closer? Chibueze's weakness are our greatest weapons, our assets. Skill.
Mom, I know, and I will exploit it.
Enjoy.
Why do you want to destroy him? Because of it, for your unselfish interest.
Okay, Mama, I'll check back later. Amara.
Oh.
I came to look for you. Mama said you went for a job interview. How did it go?
It didn't go well, though. They didn't even bother to look at this CV that I brought. Even after I explained my experiences to them, they said they needed someone with more practical skills.
What? I can't believe these people don't believe in your potentials.
I don't know what to do at this point. I'm really frustrated. But then it's not even about potential. It's about connection, who you know. And you and I know that I don't know anybody.
Amara, I kept telling and begging you, why not come and work at the palace? Please.
Don't start now, don't start. We've had this conversation before. I've told you I'm not interested in being a palace maid. I don't want it.
Amara, palace maid is better than you staying at home doing nothing. Please.
I know. But then, I want something more fulfilling, something more challenging. A job that I can use to help others. I don't want to be serving tea every morning and ironing clothes.
This is not all about ironing clothes and serving tea. See, Amara, listen. Being a maid is just temporary. A stepping stone until you find the right job. Please.
I know. I know this thing you're telling me, but I don't want it. I want something that makes me feel fulfilled. I don't want to be moving backward. I don't want to be moving backward.
They're getting it all wrong. Sometimes, the path to success isn't a straight line. Maybe this isn't a step backward. This is just a tutor. Please, just give it a thought.
Ogoma, I've heard you. I'll give it a thought like you said, but still, just know that I'm not interested in being a palace maid. You saw Mama, Abi?
I saw her.
Thank you for being concerned. Abi, thank you, I'm tired. Let's go inside. Mara, this is your stew.
Otaka. Yeah, close stew. Oh, done it very well. I made it special. Just for you.
I know, right?
You want a million?
I don't want to drink it.
Amara, I think your friend is right. Life journey is never a straight path. Most times, it's filled with lots of twists and turns.
I know, Mama, but... Ify.
Good day, ma. Good day. Take him. How was work today?
Fine, ma.
If you come and join us now.
Come and join us.
Amara, can I see you?
What is it?
Listen.
Mom, come.
Okay. I'm gonna go. Be fast though, so I will not finish this food though.
Ify, what is it now? You've not said anything.
I'm gonna have this.
What is this?
It's the lab result of Mama's blood sugar test.
What does it say?
Amara, Mama's blood sugar level has increased again, and we both know why. Please.
If you understand, It's not like I don't want to get her medication, but I don't have the money for now. I can't afford it.
Have this at the moment. You need more, okay? Please, do not wait until she suffers another crisis.
I know. That's why I'm trying so hard to get a job, so I can take care of her. It really makes me sad.
Please do. Please do, because this is not looking nice at all. A major diabetes complications might occur, and it will be fatal.
I understand. Thank you so much.
Get these drugs as soon as possible.
Thank you.
I leave now.
Okay. Thank you.
What is it? Is anything the matter?
No, okay. Sure. Yeah, let's eat.
Are you sure? Libezam.
Yeah, I'll eat more. I will eat.
Are you sure?
Mama, I really don't like the way you keep going to the farm, even after I've told you that you should stop.
Hey. Amara, we need the money.
Mama, what do we need the money for? We have foodstuffs in the house that will last us for some time.
Of course we do. But we don't have money to buy my drugs.
Your drugs? What do you mean by your drugs, Mama?
Amara, I heard your conversation with Tifoma yesterday.
Mama, you eavesdropped on us.
So, Amara, I know you have tried, but allow me to look out for myself. Pico, you know now one.
Mama, I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry that I can't take care of you. It really breaks my heart.
My dear, there is nothing to be sorry about. Look at them, ma. Look at them, ma. Nona, smile.
Elders of our land, as we move forward on the matters concerning our people, it is important that we Chibese, what kind of interruption is this?
For the past 2 days, nobody has brought food to me in my room. I want to know why. Do you people want me to starve to death? Is that the plan? Huh? Tell me!
Chibese, this is not the right time and place for this conversation. Besides, Flyer came to your room to call you for breakfast yesterday.
Liar!
What?
Bloody liar, that is what you are. You are a liar. You shocked because I am speaking truth to power? Nobody came to give me food. Nobody! You're lying!
Chibese, get out from this place this minute. Else I
what?
will tell the guards to bundle you out from here.
And I will tell the guards to bundle you out of this place.
Guards!
Guards!
Your Highness! Go to Your Highness. Take him away from here.
Take him away from here.
This minute. Take him away.
Take that man.
Bundle him out this minute.
Bundle him out this minute. Can't you see the man? This dictator should be moved out of his body. Are you sure? Move this man out of this man is forgotten. Move him out. What is wrong with you? Listen, I will not leave you.
I honestly didn't know that things were going to be this difficult.
My dear, it's as if you don't know someone at the top, you cannot succeed in life.
It's all about connection, Mama. It's just... The thing that breaks my heart the most is seeing you go to the farm and still work. When you're meant to be at home, resting and enjoying the fruits of your labor.
My daughter, it's not your fault, okay? It's not your fault that things are going on this way. I see your efforts. I see your zeal to succeed in life. And I'm proud of you.
Oh, Mom.
Thank you for never giving up on me, Mama.
Why would I give up on you? Why? I will support you in every way I can. Oh, Mom. Cheer up.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, give me that smiley look.
Thank you.
Mama. Help. Asama. Your Majesty, with the recent development and the way things are going in this family, do you still consider Prince Chibeze fit to run the affairs of this kingdom when you finally join your ancestors?
He was the first son. And the tradition is clear on this matter.
But he's mentally unstable.
You wouldn't say that about my son.
That is the honest truth. I am speaking an innocent truth. Prince Chibeze piloting the affairs of this kingdom will spell doom. As a matter of fact, it will bring unwanted destruction on this land. Is that what you want for your people?
And what will you have me do?
Your Majesty, do not be angry. I'm your wife. I should be concerned about everything happening around us. I think you should consider Ikechukwu for the throne instead.
You will not make mockery of our tradition and culture. Excuse me.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. I had to rush here. You sounded so desperate. What happened?
I should have had your head on a plate and your headless body sent to the evil forest for the wild animals where they will feast on it.
Your Majesty, I have known you since I was a child. I have not seen you speak in such a manner.
And that is why you are still breathing. Your job here is to take care of the crown prince and to make him feel better.
Your Majesty, I'm trying my best.
Your best is not enough. It's nothing to write home about. You should have been here to see him this morning.
I try my best. I swear. I try my best to follow the routine the best way I can. I try.
The king said you created a scene today at the throne room. Is it correct? That means you are not saying the truth about your medications.
One of my weak points is lying. I've never been good at it. So believe me when I say that I take my drugs as prescribed.
There's something is wrong somewhere. Confused.
From Naya. Dr. Chisom is with my brother as we speak. She's beginning to suspect something. Yeah, she thinks something is amiss, especially after the stunt the madman pulled at the chambers this morning.
Isn't that what you wanted?
Yes. No. Yes. That's the plan. But what is not on the plan is for you to get caught.
And what makes you think I could get caught for less in his drink?
That level of confidence.
Exactly. So can I go now?
Hey, come on. Come on, Funaya. Why this attitude? Have I done something wrong to you, my love?
Obviously you have. The queen embarrassed me yesterday and you stood there and said nothing. All you could say was, why didn't I lock the door behind? Do I need to remind you that I am the reason you still have a chance to that room? But for my efforts, your brother would have been deemed fit long time ago.
I know that. And I'm not taking it for granted.
Really?
Yeah.
You do?
From my heart.
That's more like it.
Why do you want to destroy? Why do you want to destroy? Because I wait for your unselfish interest. On my word,
Chibeze, I really want you to be okay.
Of course I want to be okay. I want to be fine. I'm the one in this. I know how it hurts. I want to be okay, but I don't know what's happening. It's as if the drugs you're giving to me are not working. Yes, maybe you should give me something stronger. Something that'll make me stable.
I think I know exactly what you want.
What are you doing? Why?
Why?
What do you mean why? You're asking me. You're married to some.
To a man I don't love. And you know it. Chibeze, it's you that I want. I love you. We had plans to be together forever.
And what happened? You got pregnant for another man.
I told you. I was drunk and I had sex with him. When I realized I was pregnant, I tried to abort the baby. But the baby refused to be aborted. I was left with no choice than to marry a man I barely know.
Please. The deed is done. You can't reverse it. You're married to him now. You need to stay married. Alright? There's nothing anybody can do about it. Please. I may have my issues, but being a homewrecker is not one I would like to add to the list.
And don't say taking what belongs to you makes you a thief.
Stop. Look. Your child needs his father. He also needs you. What you should be thinking about right now is making me fine. Like, you know, you're a doctor. Treat me. Take care of me. Let me be okay. Give me the right drugs, the right medications. Let me be fine. Not trying to ignite a fire that is already out. You need to go.
I'm still in love with you.
You need to go. You need to leave. Please. Thank you so much for stopping by, but it's time for you to go.
Okay. I'll stop by tomorrow and get your drugs for you as we discuss.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom. Pain and sorrow has taken all over me. Help me, oh.
Think you can go.
How are you?
Hey. When the palace guard came to tell me that one Amara is here to see me, I almost asked him, are you sure it's the Amara I know or another Amara? Because the Amara I know will never near the palace. Amara, are you really here?
Stop, Joe. Why are you sounding as if I hate the royal family?
For a starter, you do.
Just assume it. Stop.
We know what we know. You are here. Same here.
This place is so fine. Look at
So-
all the cars. Like I'm just been looking. It's so fine.
Calm down. Come, let me take you around. You will enjoy here.
Okay, let's go. It's very easy for someone to get lost in the beauty of this palace. It's so beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. Yes, I'm glad. See, Amara, here is not just beautiful. It is peaceful. And I'm hoping you will reconsider my request. Please.
Honestly, that's one. See, I think I might just apply for the role of a palace maid because things are really hard for my mom and I.
I understand. Don't worry, eh? See, Amara, I will take you to the king's chief of staff. I will tell him your interest to work in the palace.
Okay, that's so nice. But then, don't I need to come with a CV or something?
Forget about CV. All those ones are formalities. You girl is here now. I'll work on it. Come. Thanks for coming, eh?
So just like that, I have a job now.
I told you.
170,000 naira. And he even said if I behave well, that it will be increased. I'm so happy.
Look at you. I thought it's not all about the money.
That's for my counselor work, not for palace maid.
Greetings, my friends.
Okay, greetings, my friends. Is that the crown prince?
No. That's Prince Ikechukwu, the king's second son.
Take this easy.
I am sorry I had to call you all together here at a very short notice. Because it is very important you are all here.
It's okay for you to summon us here
as we know that whatever it is about that you want to discuss with us is for the good of Ifioma and his people.
Your Majesty, we are aware that nobody has the interests of this land more than you do.
Thank you so much. That is why I have to call for this impromptu meeting. Because it is very, very important. You all know that I have not been able to carry out my duties properly as a king because of my failing health.
We know this, and we also understand that this is not a matter of neglect, but your health. Yes. Take it easy, my king. Take it easy.
But we all agree that it is not good for a kingdom like ours to exist without a leader. And that is why I've decided to go for this meeting, to inform you all about my decision to appoint a regent.
It will be your best interest to tell me about your meeting with the king.
My queen, I would have told you this before you start asking this. See, if you don't drop on the square, we are ordered to keep over the outcome of the meeting.
Can you listen to yourself? You're supposed to be my eyes and ears in this palace as regards to king's private decisions. And that is why I make sure you have a better life than the rest of the elders.
My queen, I understand and appreciate everything you do for me. And I have always been loyal to you. You see, but on this subject matter, my hands are tied.
Just imagine yourself. Just imagine how ungrateful you can be. In that case, I'm going to cut off all my benefits, all my reward, meaning you are no longer useful to me. You and your family will find a hard time, very tough time, adjusting to the new hardship that will come with it.
Okay, my queen, the king has decided to make one of his sons a regent.
And Prince Nkechu is not his decision. You can go.
Hey, come on.
My prince, I have to go, please.
I miss you, Funaya. Come. Miss you.
You miss a woman who you have no regards for. You miss a maiden whose duties are to warm your bed and get you to the throne.
Come on. You know you mean much more than that to me.
Really?
For real.
Then prove it.
Prove it how?
I need you to make me a promise.
Promise? What promise?
I need you to promise me that once you're king of Ihoma, you will make me your queen. Oh yes, that's it. I was right about you after all.
Come on. Come on.
I need you to give me your word on my request. Else, we have nothing to say to each other.
Who?
Good morning, my friend. Your mother requests that you come and see her at her chamber.
It's alright. Thank you. From there. I have to see my mom now, okay? I'll be with you in a jiff.
Hey, you go. Come here. Come!
Are you talking to me?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the carotone behind you. Stupid.
Is there a reason why you're calling me names? You're calling me names like stupid.
I can see she has guts, like a big one at that. But listen to me, you don't try that rubbish here. Because if you do, I'll make sure you're kicked out of this place faster than you got here. Don't try me.
Okay. If you're looking for someone to pick on, why don't you find someone else? Because I'm really not interested. And if you say you want to kick me out, why don't you do it instead of your empty threats? Excuse me.
Empty threat. Empty threat. For real. Carotone, you have guts. I like that. I like challenges. But trust me, I'm going to make your stay miserable and short here. Idiot. I'm going to show you that I am in charge.
Why do you want to destroy him? Because I wait for your unselfish interest. On my word, because I wait for your unselfish interest.
You sent for me.
Yes, I spoke to Aris a moment ago.
Okay.
He said the king had decided to make Chibeze a regent.
A regent? I mean, why would anybody in his right senses want to make a madman a regent? How?
Is it not obvious that the king and elders of this kingdom do not have the interests of this kingdom at heart? They don't care about the progress.
They are bent on one stupid tradition.
And how far have you gone with what I told you the last time, what we discussed about you massaging the ego of the Onowo? Because he's the only one that has the right to make you sit on the throne. What have you been doing about it?
What if Chibweze abdicate?
Can you stop being foolish and start using your head? At least your age, you still behave like a child. You and I know that Chibweze will never do a thing like that.
I think he might.
Can you stop?
Mom. Mom, never say never, remember?
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara and Miri.
Stop being listening.
On your job. You have turned the balance upside down. Upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance. Change this balance upside down.
My prince,
But
is everything all right?
yes, everything is fine, no. I thought it wise to come see you. You know, it's been a long time I came around here.
Wow, that's thoughtful of you. You care to come in?
That will not be necessary, no.
All right.
It's obvious you're going out. And I wouldn't want to disrupt your daily plan with my impromptu visit. I can always come back. You know, I'm like a son to you.
I appreciate that a lot, my prince.
Thank you. No. You know, like it is said, no one visits the gods empty-handed. Hence, I deemed it fit to come with this little token.
Wow, this is so much, my prince. So much.
This is meager compared to what is yet to come. Yes, I have decided to be taking good care of you as a knower of this kingdom.
Wow, thank you, Prince Ikechukwu. Huh? That was thoughtful. You are a young prince with a beautiful heart. Thank you once more.
I can't say that again.
Wow.
As a matter of fact, I will be on my way. I have some princely duties I need to attend to.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
It's okay.
Thanks.
So how's the family?
Everyone is fine.
All right.
Everyone is fine.
My regards to everybody.
I'll do that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
That's thoughtful of you.
You must be a fool to think my door will be locked by this time of the day. Just as stupid as they come. I don't know what is wrong with you people. I told you countless times, you want to come in, you come in. Stop knocking repeatedly, it drives me mad. Knock once, fine. You want to walk in? You walk into the room, stop disturbing me. Crazy people, nobody thinks in this palace, I just don't understand.
My friends, I'm sorry. I'm
Who are you?
My name is Immerse, my friends. I'm new.
Sorry I lashed out at you. I thought it's the other maid.
I understand, my friends. The king requests that you come see him immediately.
Where is he?
At the throne room, my prince.
Alright. Make me a cup of tea.
At once, my prince. The prince asked me to bring him tea.
The prince asked you to bring him tea, and you're going to give him tea. Really? You're barely 3 weeks here, and you are already taking over my duties.
Well, that wasn't my intention. I'm only following orders. Is that not what maids like us are meant to do?
She's only following orders. Okay, fine. You know what's going to happen? I want you to take this tea back and allow me to do my job. Now.
Okay, I actually have no problem with doing that. But you'll have to tell the prince that you asked me to take the tea back.
And what's the meaning of that?
It means that if you are bold enough to counter the prince's orders, you should be bold enough to say it to his face.
Sometimes I like your guts. But watch it, girl. Watch it. You will not like to be in my black book.
I don't want to be in your white book either. Look, you've been picking on me since the first day I got here, and I really don't want to have problems with you or anyone. Of course.
You're already having problems with me. And you won't like it because it's going to be hot. Now take this tea back.
I will take this tea to the prince, like he ordered me to do. Excuse me.
Really?
That was a good movie made yesterday. You know, no one really visitors him, and let alone gave him gifts. That kind gesture alone, trust me, has already captured his heart. That's melted his heart already.
Mom, you think so? It's just one visit.
I don't think so. I know so. That was a good start. You know, Ozemena is an old man that needs care and attention. Give him gift. Show him love. That will even melt his ego. Choke him with goodies, while the maid does her part.
From Nanya?
Yes, from Nanya.
We had a fight and I suspect she stopped.
What?
Mom, you won't believe she told me she wants to be queen.
What? Has she gone mad or what?
I thought exactly.
It's fine. Agree to her demands.
How, Mom? Both of us know that's not going to happen.
Of course it's not going to happen. Play alongside with her. Play her game with her. Tell her what she needs to hear.
Mom, from Nanya is not someone you play such game with.
My prince, she is just an ordinary maid that will be discarded when the time is right. For now, she is just a means to an end.
The devil has stolen this heart. Obichara Miri, do your job. You have turned the palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace, changed this palace upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the palace.
I swear to God, the next time she tries to bump in on me like that, I will give her a piece of my mind.
Amara, who is it again?
It's not that lousy bully called Fanaya. Can you imagine she asked me to return the tea I was taking to the crown prince just because apparently it's her duty to serve him every morning?
I was praying both of you don't bump into each other when you were taking the tea to Prince Chibueze. I knew this would happen.
It wouldn't have been a problem if she was just nice about it.
There is nothing nice about Nanya, my sister. There is nothing nice about her. This is her for you. Apparently, there is a rumor that she's romantically involved with one of the prince. Yes. Rumor has it that she and Prince Ikechukwu are hitting it off.
The same prince that has his head in the cloud?
Exactly. Please ignore her.
Well, that's not my business. I really don't care if she's having an affair with the prince or even the king himself. She's just out of my business. It's okay.
Please, it's okay. That is Funaya for you, okay?
I'll tell her it's of my mind the next time. Shh, don't mess with me.
Okay. It's okay.
You think the girls are sleeping? Don't worry, very soon you go see. But somebody you go see. Makapuranye kukogawaro nenuwa. No hiding place for you. No evil shall go unpunished. You have turned the balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance, changed this balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned.
Come on, why did you want to answer me?
Is there anything you want me to do for you, my prince?
It's about a conversation.
What about our conversation? What about it? That I'm good enough to do your dirty work, but I'm not good enough to be your queen, right?
Says who, Funaya? No, tell me, says who? No, says who, Funaya? Who is more befitting to become the queen of this land when I become king, if not you? Tell me.
Are you being serious right now?
When I become the king of this land, Funaya, you will be my queen.
Oh my goodness.
Cross my heart about this.
Very well then. I plead my allegiance to you once more, my prince.
Total allegiance, I guess. Come on.
Total.
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 We will talk more when I come back, okay?
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Come on.
I'll see you.
Now, easy. All right. Easy, easy. Easy. Women.
Yes, everything is going according to plan. He was with Unovu a few days ago.
In 5 months, the miserable king will pass. But the crown prince has not been certified married as we speak. I hear the king wants him as regent.
As expected. But that is not going to happen. I am not keeping my fingers crossed.
I thought you said the prince has someone handling that.
Yes, he was. But she made some kind of ridiculous demands that he couldn't fulfill. But everything has been taken care of and she's back on track.
You must achieve this task, Adako. You must.
Of course, I know how important this is to you. I'll talk to you again.
The devil has stolen this heart.
I am not backing down at all. I'm going all the way.
Upside down. The devil has stolen your heart.
Is this real?
Yeah, as real as it can be.
I understand why there is a call for a regent.
No one knows about this except my mom, myself, and now you.
And the king?
No, my mom decided not to tell him about it.
So according to this, the king has just 5 months to live.
Yeah, and in a few months, you'll become the queen of Ihoma.
I would want nothing more than that, my love.
The ball is now in your court. Get Chibueze mad. Get him so mad that the palace will be left with no other choice than send him to a psychiatric hospital, paving the way for the king and queen to become crystal.
My love.
Yeah.
Leave that for me, okay? By the time we are mourning the death of the king, Chibueze will be where you want him to be. I promise you that.
Really?
Yes.
I can always count on you.
What are you trying to do?
I can always count on
Please,
you.
don't. Stop, I'm tired. I just want to sleep.
You can't be tired.
I just want to sleep.
Oh, you told me already.
You think the girls are sleeping? Don't worry, very soon you go see. Oh, somebody you go see. No hiding place for you. No evil shall go unpunished. You have turned the balance upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned the balance, changed this balance upside down. The devil has stolen.
And what's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what? Is that the first thing you say when you see your prince?
Good morning, my prince. But my prince, I don't understand why she's the one serving your tea when it's something I do religiously for months.
Well, that's because you stopped. And I don't know why. Amara came along, and now she's serving my tea.
But I'm sorry, my prince. I'm here now. I'm here to resume my duty.
Good to know you're here now. Sadly, Amara is doing it now. You know how much I love my morning tea. I believe you can find other things to do in the morning. There's so much to do in the palace.
Come in.
Your Majesty, you requested to see me.
I was told you now attend to Prince Chibueze's private needs.
He asked me to do so.
And that is Funanya's primary assignment. And it shall continue to be so until I say otherwise.
Your Majesty, shut up.
You don't speak until I ask you to. This is your second month in this palace. And I'm hearing stories about how you make major changes.
That's not true, Your Majesty.
Shut up. I can see you have problem taking instructions. Today is my very good day. I'm in a good mood. The next time you go against my orders in this palace, I'll ask that you be thrown out of this palace for good. Going forward, you shall not attend to Prince Chibueze's needs anymore. And I hope you heed to this, because you'll be lucky the next time. Get out.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The course is clear. I need results.
Trust me to deliver, Your Majesty.
You can go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
The devil has stolen this heart.
Just
Stupid rats.
The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned your balance, changed this back upside down. The devil has stolen your heart. You have turned your balance.
Don't think much about it.
I'm trying not to. But then something feels very off.
What exactly?
Why is the queen so persistent about Fanaya attending to Prince Chibuze's every need?
You see, that has been her job. I don't see any problem in that.
Yes, it wouldn't have been a problem. I mean, I would have just walked away except for the fact that the queen's behavior is far from being normal.
You should understand why they decided to keep the prince's situation discreet.
How do you mean?
You don't know?
Yes, I don't know. What's going on?
Really?
Yes. What's going on?
You're spying on me. You think I don't know you're spying on me? I know who sent you.
Please, my prince. It's just a little child, please. It means no harm.
I'm asking you, boy, who sent you?
Hey!
Who sent you?
Jimbo!
Huh? Who
Please!
sent you? Who
Please!
sent
Please!
you?
Somebody!
Who sent
Welcome, my daughter. We heard about the unfortunate incident, and we are deeply sorry for what happened.
My son was terrified. The prince, he attacked him and accused him of the things he doesn't understand. I don't care if he's a prince, but he acted like an animal.
You have every right to be angry. We here, we don't take it lightly. We already had a conversation with your husband, and I am sure everything will be resolved amicably. His Royal Majesty has a condition, one that the palace is trying to manage. Although that's not an excuse for what he did. We are here to make sure that things go on well with you.
We'll ensure that your son receives the best medical care for his injuries. The palace doctors are available to give him the desired attention, so you have nothing to worry about.
What about his trauma? My boy has not spoken a word since the ugly incident. Will you fix that too?
I understand your pain. The palace is willing to compensate you generously for your troubles. All we ask is let this incident stay private.
We know that there's no amount of compensation can undo the harm, but consider the future of your son. We'll give him a good education, a good life. All we ask for is that you allow us to handle this matter internally and keep this secret. Please.
It's okay, no. I've heard you. I don't want any more trouble. All I want is my son to be safe. If you promise that he will be taken care of, then I'll keep quiet.
Your son will be taken care of. You have our word. this matter just have to stay between us. Nobody should hear about it.
Okay, no. Thank you so much. Thank you, my elders.
Thank you, my elders. We appreciate.
So they are paying her off. Eh?
I am a prince, but I'm suffering in my own kingdom. Oginikam jisimu kote nenoa. Pain and sorrow has taken all over me. Anyamire juwa manya onyege yere maka. Help me oh. Oginika anyamona fuziona. Help me oh. Sorrows and pains every day. I need someone to help me. Oginika anyamona fuziona nuno. Help me. Sorrows and pains every day. Crown of betrayal. Oginika merua. Chimo.
This is becoming far too common. The princess episode is becoming far difficult to control.
His heart is full of love, but he is very unstable and very unpredictable.
Another secret. Another cover-up. This secret must be exposed. My prince Ikechukwu must be king of this kingdom. And he is the king this kingdom truly needs. And I am his queen. Well-deserved queen. Nothing will stop me from becoming.
Why can't I just get rid of myself? Why can't I lay my hands on?
My prince, you sent for me.
Get out!
What?
You heard me, I said get out!
My prince, you can't be alone. You're hurting.
So if I'm hurting, how does that concern you? Get out! Get out! I didn't mean to hurt him. I didn't mean to hurt him. He's just a child. He's just a boy. I didn't mean